Hello YouTube, I got this very exciting news for you, all of you today. I got the limited edition Grand Theft Auto 5. Yup, Grand Theft Auto 5, as you can see right there. Limited edition. Now this is pretty cool. I got this early release because I don't know, it's just I got lucky. I was one of the lucky ones. So the box is steel. Feels really good. It even has a hole right here for feeling, when you pick it up and shit. Stuff like that. And then in the back, this really cool artwork. Very amazing with the flamethrower. I don't know what we're gonna expect from Grand Theft Auto 5. But I'm really excited. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing. Got some tape right here. Some more right here. Alright. Wow. The fuck? Now there's a lot of stuff right here. Damn. Alright, so let's get started with this little box. Grand Theft Auto 5. See, the game's not even yet rated, but I have it. Really cool. Let's open it up. A keychain, flyers, rock stars right there. What is this? Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Alright, let's put this aside. Next up. Now this got my attention, what the fuck is this? What the hell? Look at this. Whoa. Alright, let's see what this thing is. It comes with this really cool mask, I believe. Freddy Krueger. Looks to me more like some kind of shit face. There it is. It's winking at me. That's really cool, Let's put this aside. Alright. Next up, we got this phone. Yep, a phone. It comes with the phone. Says 5 right there. Grand Theft Auto 5 or iPhone 5, I guess. I don't know. But it even has the iPhone logo from Grand Theft Auto, from previous Grand Theft Auto games, like Grand Theft Auto 4. Now I think this is the same phone that the girl's using in the poster near a beach. That's really cool. Very nasty stuff right there. But okay. Next up, oh, this pencil. Limited edition pencil. It has this feeling to it right here. Really cool. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a movie ticket. A free movie ticket to see Halloween 2. There it is, 2009. And it has that R for Rockstar's games. That's really cool. So I'm guessing this ain't Michael Myers. I mean, this ain't Freddy Krueger, my bad. It's Michael Myers, because he even came with this movie ticket. put that in his face. Alright, next up. Seems like we got poster. We open this up. And here's a view of Los Santos. It's supposed to be bigger than Red Dead Redemption, Grand Theft Auto 4, and Grand Theft Auto San Andreas combined. And it looks really, really big. Sweet. Let's put that aside. Alright, so here, some foam, and the game itself. Grand Theft Auto 5. I like how they just like put something, some paper I guess, and just like stamped it in there, crossing San Andreas. Cause you know Grand Theft Auto 5 is gonna kill San Andreas. So I'm guessing some characters return in Grand Theft Auto 5. We got Fat Dude, Big Smoke, CJ, Hooker, and the old dude, crazy dude, high dude, the hippie. Alright, let's get to the game. And there it is, guys. Grand Theft Auto 5. PlayStation 3. I don't know why it says PlayStation 2 right here, but like, I guess it was a mistake or something. But I pre-ordered it for PlayStation 3. And some things that we're gonna see in Los Santos 24/7. Some monkey balls. Some romantic stuff. You know, stuff like that. Well, you guys, I hope you liked this video. Please comment your thoughts and what you thought about this unboxing. Really exciting stuff. And subscribe. Thanks.